SIG. First time out of the box. Getting ready to shoot. Let's see what we can do. Seven yards. Not bad. Okay. Just shot one mag. Didn't do that bad. We've got a little competition, $5. One-handed, 7 yards. Let's see what we can do. $5. Okay. First time I ever shot 25 yards. And the paper is safe.
I'm not too upset about it. You can't.
25-yard match. Second target. Hey, better than nothing. No paper was injured during this one. Getting better. Getting better. 25 yards.
Targets.
Okay, that was 5 rounds, 10 seconds. Paper, they score. That's all right. Okay, that was 5 shots, 10 seconds. 5 shots, 10 seconds. Paper, almost safe.
45's killing it over here.
That's the only good one I've had so far. we enjoy it though.
I got a P220 Elite. I'm like, I should have brought that because I bet
Best and worst.
it's a lot easier to
bad.
pull down than that.
A lot better.
Polymer.
Well, it is, but it's still light. I have a red dot on it.
Let's see. Number one is first place was Matt Weeks. Looks like 731 9X.
Sweet.
Second place was Rider 2 with looks like a 724 10X.
729.
729 10X.
It was close.
Damn, that is close. Holy shit.
What was it?
17 was 2 points away.
Yeah, give it to him. What kind of? Hold your mouth. What was it?
Number 3 is Len Gaddis with a 679 4X.
Revolver man.
And let's see. Number 4 was Kyle with 465, and 5th was Chip Corbin with a 77. Is that right?
I'll take it.
All right. Good shooting, guys. Glad to have a match with you guys today.
Yeah.
All right, folks. Thanks for joining me. New shooter, just trying to get better. First time shooting the SIG 226 Mark 25 versus 7 yards, and then I wound up in a pistol match. Well, I did all right. Finished last out of 7. I got like 77 points. Winner got a bunch more, but you know, learning and improving, little baby steps. So thank you very much, and it was fun. All right, we'll talk to you next time.